BNA's Concourse D extension, a new era for Nashville's airport. Nashville Airport's Concourse D extension, a game-changer for travelers. Nashville Airport unveils new Concourse D expansion 2025 opening details. Explore BNA's brand new Concourse D, a state-of-the-art traveler's paradise. BNA's Concourse D extension, a new era for Nashville's airport. Imagine stepping into a brand new world of travel convenience and style. On Tuesday, July 1st, Nashville International Airport, BNA, officially opened the doors to its newly extended Concourse D. This isn't just an addition, it's a game changer. The first phase of this concourse debuted in 2020, and now, with 5 additional gates set to become operational on Tuesday, July 8th, travelers can expect a whole new level of comfort and efficiency. But here's where it gets controversial. While some might argue that this expansion is a necessary step to accommodate growing passenger numbers, others might question the environmental impact and the cost. What do you think? This project is the first major milestone under the New Horizon initiative, a $3 billion growth and renovation plan designed to transform BNA into a world-class airport. Southwest Airlines, a key player in Nashville's aviation scene, will be operating out of Concourse D. Andrew Watterson, COO of Southwest, expressed his enthusiasm during the unveiling, stating, "Southwest loves Music City and Tennessee." Currently, Southwest operates 172 daily flights from Nashville, and by October, that number will increase to 183. This expansion is more than just about adding gates, it's about creating a seamless travel experience. Doug Crillon, President and CEO of Metropolitan Nashville Airport Authority, highlighted the significance of this project, saying, "The completion of the Concourse D extension, on time and under budget, not only marks a major milestone for the New Horizon program, but it also gives us the space and resources needed to turn our attention to upcoming projects, such as the demolition and reconstruction of Concourse A, the creation of a central ramp and improved terminal roadways." The New Horizon projects are essential to enabling BNA's ability to support 40 million annual passengers in the future. Let's dive into some of the standout features of the Concourse D extension. First off, BNA now boasts a 165-foot-long moving walkway. To put that into perspective, it's about the length of the full-size Athena statue at the Parthenon. And this is the part most people miss. There will be another moving walkway added to the new Concourse A when it is completed, further enhancing passenger convenience. The extension is not just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. New art installations add a touch of local flavor and creativity. Twine with My Mingles, by Nashville-based artist Elizabeth Williams of New Hat Projects, is a 180-foot-long piece that lines the moving walkway, created by Loom Style weaving custom-printed wristbands. A Thread Without End, by Los Angeles-based artist Benjamin Ball of Ballnogue Studios, features 620 stainless steel spheres suspended in the concessions area between gates D7 and D8. Our Radiant City, by Nashville-based artist Brenda Stein, encircles the center of the record node, featuring depictions of some of Nashville's most recognizable buildings in shimmering terrazzo, acting as a focal point when passengers enter. The extension features 6 new gates, and at the end of the concourse, it is circular, mimicking the shape of a record. The record node is 72 feet high and 176 feet in diameter, 176 times larger than a standard 33 classic vinyl. For those who enjoy a bit of fresh air, the extension features the first outdoor terrace, which seats 40. There you will find views of the airfield. It is enclosed with glass walls that are 10 feet tall, and the patio area is 1,700 square feet. And if you're looking to grab a bite or do some shopping, there are 8 new concepts to eat, drink, and shop in the new concourse. 3rd and Broadway. At the heart of Nashville's entertainment district lies the intersection of 3rd Avenue and Broadway, where everyone comes to soak up the sights, sounds, flavors and experiences that make Nashville a top tourist destination. Sandella's Flatbread Cafe, signature flatbreads, refreshing juices and artisanal coffees. New Heights Cantina and Taqueria, award-winning local New Heights beer complements Mexican cuisine. This concept features a breakfast menu, live music and a taco truck for orders on the go. The Castle, this vibrant restaurant and bar is the perfect spot for soccer fans to enjoy delicious food, refreshing drinks, and the thrill of Nashville SC action before your flight. Flight's virtual dining hall modernizes airport dining with fresh meals and diverse options. Daniel X Diamond, country music's favorite fashion brand, now offering a variety of rhinestone products in addition to their signature fringe jackets at BNA. Nashville Tracks by Hudson celebrates the city's musical legacy and history of producing craft spirits. Travelers can also browse products from local artisans alongside travel essentials, like snacks, beverages, tech needs and books. Martini, expertly crafted martinis, savory sandwiches, flatbreads, craft beers and frothy monkey coffee. So, what do you think about this expansion? Is it a step forward for Nashville's aviation scene, or are there concerns that need to be addressed? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Nashville Airport's Concourse D extension, a game changer for travelers. Get ready to experience the ultimate airport transformation. Nashville International Airport, BNA, has just unveiled the Concourse D extension, and it's a game changer for the travel experience. Imagine arriving at an airport that's not just a means to an end, but an actual destination in itself. That's exactly what Nashville International Airport, BNA, has achieved with the unveiling of its Concourse D extension. This impressive expansion is the first project to be completed under the airport's ambitious $3 billion growth and renovation plan, dubbed New Horizon. But here's where it gets exciting. The Concourse D extension is more than just a physical expansion, it's a bold statement about the future of air travel. With 5 new gates, 8 exciting new locations to shop, eat, and drink, a convenient moving walkway, and 3 stunning original pieces of artwork, this extension is set to revolutionize the way we experience airports. At the heart of the extension lies a stunning rotunda, aptly named the Record Node, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the airfield and even downtown Nashville. And for the first time in BNA's history, travelers can access an outdoor terrace, where they can soak up the sights and sounds of the airport while enjoying the fresh air. The numbers are impressive. The New Horizon program is designed to support 40 million annual passengers in the future, and the Concourse D extension is a crucial step towards achieving that goal. As Doug Crillon, President and CEO of the Metropolitan Nashville Airport Authority, puts it, the completion of the Concourse D extension, on time and under budget, marks a major milestone for the New Horizon program, and gives us the space and resources needed to focus on upcoming projects, such as the demolition and reconstruction of Concourse A, the creation of a central ramp, and improved terminal roadways. But what about the food and drink options? The Concourse D extension has got you covered. With 8 exciting new concepts to choose from, you'll be spoiled for choice. From the signature flatbreads and artisanal coffees at Sandella's Flatbread Cafe to the award-winning local New Heights beer and Mexican cuisine at New Heights Cantina and Taqueria, there's something for every taste and preference. Other exciting options include 3rd and Broadway, a celebration of Nashville's vibrant entertainment district, The Castle, a sports-themed restaurant and bar perfect for soccer fans, Flight's virtual dining hall, which modernizes airport dining with fresh meals and diverse options, Daniel X Diamond, a country music-inspired fashion brand, Nashville Tracks by Hudson, which celebrates the city's musical legacy and history of producing craft spirits, and Martini, a sophisticated bar serving expertly crafted martinis, savory sandwiches, flatbreads, craft beers, and frothy monkey coffee. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the future of air travel and the role that airports like BNA will play in shaping the experience? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Nashville Airport unveils new Concourse D expansion 2025 opening details. Nashville's airport is undergoing a dramatic transformation, and the unveiling of its brand new Concourse D represents a significant leap forward in its ambitious $3 billion New Horizon growth strategy. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about adding more space, it's about fundamentally reshaping the entire airport experience for travelers. Nashville International Airport officially revealed this expansive addition on date, assuming it's a recent announcement, insert date here, marking a key milestone within the broader New Horizon project, slated for completion by 2029. This project isn't just about expansion, it's a comprehensive overhaul designed to accommodate Nashville's explosive growth. You can find more details about the entire plan at https://flynashville.com/BNA-new-horizon right bracket. So, what exactly does this new Concourse D offer? It's packed with enhancements designed to make travel smoother and more enjoyable. 5 brand new gates are being added, catering primarily to Southwest Airlines, and passengers can now look forward to a selection of fresh restaurants and retail outlets. Perhaps the most innovative feature is the introduction of an outdoor terrace, a welcome respite for travelers, and a moving walkway, a technological advancement aimed at streamlining the journey to your destination. Imagine bypassing crowded hallways and effortlessly gliding to your gate. However, the story doesn't end with Concourse D. A bold and potentially disruptive next phase is already underway, the complete demolition and rebuilding of Concourse A. According to Doug Crullen, President and CEO of the Metro Nashville Airport Authority, this will involve a meticulous process, shutting down the concourse, disconnecting utilities, and ensuring its safety before demolition begins. The rebuilt Concourse A will be nearly double its original size, increasing the airport's total gate capacity from 54 to a staggering 70 gates, scheduled to open on July 11, 2028. This represents a massive investment in the future of Nashville's air travel infrastructure. This expansion comes at a crucial time for Nashville, a city consistently ranked among the fastest growing in the United States. Mayor Freddie O'Connell emphasized the importance of this project during the grand opening, stating that prioritizing enhanced air service, particularly international routes, is a top priority. It's hard to keep up with Nashville right now, he noted, pursuing better air service, especially connections to exciting new international destinations, is absolutely vital for attracting investors, boosting tourism, and welcoming new residents to our city. Now, let's consider this. Is tearing down a perfectly functional concourse, even one that needs updating, truly the most efficient use of resources, or is it a necessary step to accommodate future growth, and what impact will this significant expansion have on the already considerable traffic congestion around the airport? To help you stay connected, here's how you can watch WSMV4 live on various platforms. https://www.wsmv.com/page/r-app/right bracket. Copyright 2025 WSMV. All rights reserved. Explore BNA's brand new Concourse D, a state-of-the-art traveler's paradise. Nashville International Airport just raised the bar for travel comfort. Here's what's inside their stunning new concourse. By Lily Faye Kramer, updated Sunday, July 6, 2025 at 12 p.m. Nashville International Airport, BNA, is about to change the way travelers experience layovers and departures forever. On July 8, the highly anticipated Concourse D extension will officially open its doors, and it's packed with surprises that go far beyond the usual airport amenities. Photo, Fox 17 News. Topics: BNA Nashville International Airport Concourse D Travel Experience Outdoor Terrace Expanded Gates Art Installations Dining and Shopping. Nashville, Tennessee, WZTV, prepare to be impressed. BNA's newly unveiled Concourse D extension isn't just another airport expansion, it's a carefully crafted space designed to make travel feel less like a chore and more like an experience. And here's the twist, it might just make you wish for a longer layover. Developed in collaboration with the Arts at the Airport Foundation, this concourse blends cutting-edge functionality with artistic flair. The centerpiece? A breathtaking, record node offering panoramic views of both the airfield and the Nashville skyline, a subtle reminder of why Music City is worth the trip. But the real game changer? An outdoor terrace where weary travelers can step outside, breathe fresh air, and stretch their legs, a rarity in modern airport design. With 5 additional gates and 8 new dining and retail options, Concourse D is built for convenience and comfort. Foodies, take note, the lineup includes everything from 3rd and Broadway's Southern-inspired dishes to Sandella's Flatbread Cafe for quick bites, New Heights Cantina and Taqueria for Mexican flavors, and even Flight's virtual dining hall, a tech-forward concept that's stirring debate among traditionalists. Could this be the future of airport dining? Some say yes, others miss the human touch. What do you think? But here's where it gets controversial. While many airports prioritize efficiency over aesthetics, BNA is betting big on art as a way to reduce travel stress. 3 standout installations demand attention. 1. Twine with My Mingles, by Elizabeth Williams. New Hat projects a 180-foot-long woven masterpiece lining the moving walkway, crafted from custom-printed wristbands, a nod to Nashville's creative spirit. 2. A Thread Without End, by Benjamin Ball. Ballnogue Studios, a mesmerizing cluster of 620 suspended stainless steel spheres between gates D7 and D8, designed to captivate even the most impatient travelers. 3. Our Radiant City, by Brenda Stein. A terrazzo floor mosaic celebrating Nashville's iconic architecture, serving as a dazzling welcome mat for arriving passengers. Designed by global architecture leaders Hensel Phelps and Fentress Architects, the Concourse's airy, light-filled layout challenges the stereotype of cramped airport spaces. Love it or hate it, one thing's clear: BNA is redefining what travelers should expect from an airport. Could this set a new standard, or is it an overinvestment in non-essentials? Sound off in the comments. Want more updates like this? Subscribe to the Fox 17 News Daily newsletter for all things Middle Tennessee. https://fox17.com/sign-up. BNA's Concourse D extension.